Yes, my dear student, let me continue the complex analysis paper 3. Today I would like to prove two important theorems, examination point of view, 2 marks theorem. One is if in an analytic function real part is constant, then the total analytic function is constant. That I would like to prove it. So that is in a f of z u plus iv, if u is constant, then the total function is constant. I would like to prove it. As f of z is analytic, it is an analytic function by CR equation. Dou u by dou x is equal to dou v by dou y, and dou u by dou y is equal to minus dou v by dou x. It is CR equation. As u is constant implies dou u by dou x is equal to dou u by dou y, partially differentiation with respect to x as well as y of that u is 0. So from these two equations, dou v by dou x is equal to dou v by dou y is also 0. By dou u by dou x is dou v by dou y. So this is 0. And dou u by dou y is minus dou v by dou x, that is also 0. This implies v is constant. And v is constant means v is the sum. If I take that u equal to c1 and v equal to c2, then that f of z is equal to c1 plus I c2. This is one of the theorem, a simple theorem for 2 marks. Similarly, in the analytic function f of z, if the real imaginary part is constant, the total function is constant. I would like to prove it. So what we have to prove here, just v is constant, v equal to, that is c1. So by CR equation, again these two equations are equal and v is constant here. So v is constant and v1 is equal to c1, v equal to c1, then partial differentiation with respect to x as well as with respect to y is 0. Therefore, if you compare these two equations, and dou u by dou x is equal to dou u by dou y is also 0 because of this CR equation. This implies u is constant. So u is constant, then u is equal to c2. Therefore, I can write this f of z equal to, it is c2 plus I c1. That is the constant function. Then we go to the next example, that is, if in an analytic function the difference or addition of the imaginary and real part is given, then we have to construct, then we have to find out the analytic function f of z. So one of the problem is here, if u minus v equal to e raised to x into bracket cos y minus sin y, then you find out f of z, where u is a real part and v is a imaginary part. Suppose u minus v is given, we have to construct, we have to find out f of z. So the proof of this is f of z is equal to u plus iv. It is an analytic function. This implies by CR equation, dou u by dou x is equal to dou v by dou y, and dou u by dou y is equal to minus dou v by dou x. So this is equation number 2 and this is equation number 3. Now u minus v is given. U minus v is equal to, it is e raised to x into bracket cos y minus sin y. Differentiate partially with respect to x, dou u by dou x. minus dou v by dou x is equal to, you are differentiating partially with respect to x, therefore this is constant, only e raised to x differentiation is e raised to x, so into bracket cos y minus sin y, this is equation number 4. Partially with respect to y, if I take it, dou u by dou y minus dou v by dou y is equal to, e raised to x is constant, cos y differentiation is minus sin y minus cos y, so this is equation number 5. Use the CR equation and these two equations 2, 3, 4, 5, we get, just replace dou u by dou here in the fourth equation, use the equation 2 and 3. This dou u by dou y is minus dou v by dou x, minus dou v by dou x, and dou v by dou y is, it is dou u by dou x. So then if I add it, so by addition, you know that dou u by dou x, this cancels, minus dou u by dou v by dou x is equal to, just addition of these two is, so here you get cos y cancel, as you are adding, it is e raised to x into minus 2 sin y. Similarly, if you subtract it, if you take it a minus, right, so if you take it, then it is 2 times of dou u by dou x is equal to e raised to x into 2 cos y. So call equation number 7. As you know, it is f dash of z equal to, f dash of z equal to, it is dou u by dou x plus I dou v by dou x. We have dou u by dou x is e raised to x, and put x equal to z and y equal to 0 in these two equations. So we have, it is 2 cancels, even 2 cancels, dou u by dou x is e raised to x cos y, cos 0 is 1 because y is 0, e raised to z plus 1 into 1 I dou v. So e raised to z sin 0 is 0, this is 0, it is f dash of z. Then integration gives f of z equal to, integration of e raised to z is e raised to z plus integration constant c. This is how we are doing. So let us take one more example. If I take one more example of the same kind, this is u minus v equal to, so if I consider the same example, u minus v is equal to, it is 2x square 2xy plus x square minus y square plus x minus y. Then I have to construct the function f of z, I have to construct it. So as usual, solution f of z equal to u plus iv, and by CR equation dou u by dou x equal to dou v by dou y, and dou u by dou y equal to minus dou v by dou y. This x. Then this is 1 and this is 2. Now differentiate partially with respect to x. Dou u by dou x minus dou v by dou x equal to, you are differentiating partially with respect to x means y constant. So 2y plus 2x minus 0, x differentiation is 1, y differentiation is 0. Okay, then differentiate partially with respect to y. Dou u by dou y minus dou v by dou y equal to 2x minus 2y, x is 0, y differentiation is 1, and replace this. So dou u by dou x minus dou v by dou x equal to 2x plus 2y plus 1 from this equation, and here dou u by dou y is minus dou minus dou v by dou x, and minus dou u by dou y is minus dou u by dou x. So it is 2x minus 2y minus 1. Just add this. If I add it, it cancels. Minus 2 dou v by dou x equal to 4x. Y cancels, even this cancels. So dou v by dou x equal to minus 2x. Call this as equation number 3. And when I subtract it, so plus, plus, minus, plus, plus. So this two times of dou u by dou x equal to x cancels 4y plus 2, and dou u by dou x is equal to 2y plus 1, equation number 4. Then f dash of z equal to dou u by dou x plus I dou v by dou x. And in these two equations, wherever x is there, put z, and y is there 0. For x z, for y 0, here it is 0 plus 1. So 1 plus I, it is minus 2z. So minus 2z. It is f dash of z. Integration f of z equal to 1 integration is z minus I 2, z integration is z square by 2 plus integration constant c. Therefore, this 2 cancels, and f of z equal to z minus I z square plus c. This is the function, analytic function. Similarly, if I consider another, if f of z is equal to u plus iv, in which u plus iv is given, u plus v is given, then I have to construct the function u plus v equal to x divided by x square plus y square. Yes, then I have to find out f of z. So as usual, f of z equal to u plus iv. And CR equation, as you know this, dou u by dou x equal to dou v by dou y, and dou u by dou y equal to minus dou v by dou x. So this is CR equation. And differentiate partially with respect to x. Dou u by dou x plus dou v by dou x. It is u by v method. So x square plus y square whole square, and x square plus y square constant, x differentiation is 1 minus, it is x differentiation of the denominator, x square is 2x plus y square is 0. If I simplify this, it is 2x square minus 2x square, 1x square is, so x square y square minus x square divided by x square plus y square, it's a whole square. And differentiate partially with respect to y. Dou u by dou y plus dou v by dou y equal to, so numerator is x, which is a constant, you are differentiating partially with respect to y, therefore just it is x square plus y square, it's a square raised to minus 1, so minus x, and differentiation of y to y square is 2y, so this is 2y. So this is, if I replace this, it is minus dou u by dou x, dou v by dou x, and it is minus dou plus dou u by dou x equal to minus 2xy divided by x square plus y square, it's a square, by the CR equation. This is this I have replaced it. So using this equation and this equation, adding them, so dou u by dou u, so it's 2 times of dou u by dou x is equal to, just adding this, y square minus x square minus 2xy divided by x square plus y square, it's a square. Similarly, if I subtract it, so it becomes plus and it becomes minus and it becomes plus. Therefore, it is 2 times of dou v by dou x is equal to y square minus x square plus 2xy divided by x square plus y square, it's a square. Then the function is f dash of z equal to, so f dash of z equal to dou u by dou x plus I dou v by dou x. Then as usual, wherever x is there, replace it by z, and y is there, it is replace it by 0. So here it is 1 by 2, 1 by 2, y is 0, minus z square divided by z square square, because y is 0, plus I into bracket, again minus, it is z square divided by z square square. If I simplify, again it is also by 2, because this 2 goes to RHS. Then simplification is, it is minus 1 upon z square minus I divided by 2, 1 upon z square. It is f dash of z. Integration gives. So f dash of z equal to minus 1 by 2 is common. If I take it out, z raised to minus 2 is minus 1 divided by minus 1. So minus 1 upon z minus I divided by z, and this minus minus become plus 1 upon 2, 1 by z plus I divided by z plus integration constant c f dash of z. This is the problem now. Now we'll go to the next. There is an important theorem, examination point of view. Let me do this. Sufficient condition for the function to be analytic. The function to be analytic, then what in the examination they are asking, state and prove the sufficient condition for the function to be analytic. So the statement is very simple. The function, the complex function f of, then statement of the theorem is, the complex function f of z is said to be analytic if the partial derivatives dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, and dou v by dou x, dou v by dou y, these 4 partial derivatives exist continuous, then this function is analytic. So this is the sufficient condition. Necessary condition is the reverse of this. If this function is analytic, CR equation satisfied. Reverse of this, sufficient condition means reverse, converse. So if CR equation exists, then the function is analytic. Okay, so proof of this theorem. Here, so proof f of z equal to u plus iv. This is a complex function in which CR equation exists. So dou u by dou x equal to dou v by dou y, call equation number 2, dou u by dou y equal to minus dou v by dou x, equation number 3. Now the function, we have to prove that it is analytic. Analytic means it is differentiable. The function is differentiable. Differentiable means it is f dash of z exists. When it exists, f of z plus delta z minus f of z divided by delta z as limit delta z tending to 0 is existing, f of z, f dash of z. So this I have to prove it. For that, let me consider, so let's consider now f of z is equal to u of x comma y plus iv of x comma y. Then f of z plus delta z. Delta z is an increment in the z. Then similarly there is an increment in x, x plus delta x, y plus delta y, plus iv x plus delta x comma y plus delta y. Then f of z plus delta z minus f of z equal to u of x plus delta x comma y plus delta y plus iv x plus delta x comma y plus delta y, so delta y, this minus uxy plus ivxy. Then if I simplify this is ux plus delta xy plus delta y minus uxy plus iv x plus delta x y plus delta y minus vxy. Yes. Then dividing by delta x, delta z, sorry, dividing by delta z. But you know that by Taylor's series, this difference by Taylor's series of function of two variable that can be written as, so f of z plus delta z minus f of z divided by delta z is equal to, it is delta x into dou u by dou x plus delta y into dou u by dou y plus I delta x dou v by dou x plus I delta y dou v by dou y divided by delta z. So this is by Taylor's theorem expansion. Then by CR equation, if I use it, this is equal to delta x dou u by dou x plus delta y. This is minus dou v by dou x plus I delta x dou v by dou x as it is plus I delta y. This is dou u by dou x. So let me convert all the functions in the different partial derivative of x. Then delta x dou u by dou x here plus I delta y dou u by dou x. Let us combine this first term and the last term plus I delta x dou v by dou x. This minus sign can be written as plus I square delta y dou v by dou x divided by delta z. This is equal to, right? Then dou u by dou x is common. We left with delta x plus I delta y plus I dou v by dou x is common. Left with delta x plus I delta y divided by delta z is delta x plus I delta y. Therefore, this is dou u by dou x plus I dou v by dou x into bracket delta x plus I delta y divided by delta x plus I delta y. As a limit I consider limit delta z tending to 0. Here also limit delta z tending to 0, right? It is f of z plus delta z minus f of z divided by delta z. This is f dash of z and this cancels. There is no limit of delta z. So dou u by dou x plus I dou v by dou x. This implies, this exists, f of z is differentiable. So differentiable, this implies f of z is analytic. Yes, this is the theorem. So okay, let's take the next last example of this kind. Here is one of the peculiar examples that I would like to prove in this case. So that is, prove that dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square of modulus of f of z square is equal to, it is 4 times of modulus of f dash of z whole square. This I would like to prove it. This is another important example in examination point of view. Suppose f of z equal to u plus iv, modulus of f of z is equal to root of u square plus v square. And square means modulus of f z square is equal to just is u square plus v square. So this is one idea that you have to remember. Similarly, f dash of z is equal to dou u by dou x plus I dou v by dou x, and modulus of f dash of z is equal to, it is the square root of dou u by dou x square plus dou v by dou x square. And when I square it, modulus of f dash of z square is equal to dou u by dou x square plus dou v by dou x its square. So this you have to remember. So let us connect these two over, that's all. Okay, so now if I consider this f of z is equal to, it is u plus iv, and modulus of f of z square equal to, as I have told, u square plus v square, and differentiate partially with respect to x twice. So dou by dou x of mod of f of z square equal to 2u dou u by dou x plus 2v dou v by dou x. Again you differentiate partially with respect to x, dou square by dou x square of mod of f of z square equal to 2 common, both the side 2 is there, and u into v method, u constant, the second derivative dou square u by dou x square plus dou u by dou x constant, u differentiation is dou u by dou x again, so it becomes a square, plus similarly v constant dou square v by dou x square plus dou v by dou x its square. This is partially with respect to x twice. Similarly, partially with respect to y, dou by dou y square of mod of f dash square is equal to, it is 2 times of u dou square u by dou x square plus, sorry, dou y square, and dou u by dou y whole square plus v dou square v by dou y square plus dou v by dou y its square. Now adding these two, dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square of modulus of f of z square equal to 2 is a common factor in both the case. So let us combine that u term, u into bracket, because u and u, dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square, plus similarly v is a common factor, dou square v divided by dou x square plus dou square v by dou y square, plus and dou u by dou x square plus dou v by dou y whole square, plus, yes, these are the two terms here, plus dou v by dou x square plus dou u by dou y square. Yes, but u and v are harmonic functions. Harmonic functions. Why they are harmonic function? F of z is analytic and u and v are harmonic functions. Then by Legendre result, it is dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square is 0. Dou square v by dou x square plus dou square v by dou y square is also 0. So this equation becomes now dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square of modulus of f of z square equal to, it is 2 times of, this term is 0, this term is 0, only we have 2 times of it is into bracket dou u by dou x square plus dou u by dou y square plus dou v by dou x square plus dou v by dou y square. But by CR equation, you can remove that y term 2 times of dou u by dou x square plus dou v by dou x. Of course, minus square is there, it becomes a plus. So plus dou v by dou x square, and this is you know that it is minus dou u by dou x is square. So then, of course, square becomes plus sign, so it is 2 times of dou u by dou x square. Dou u by dou x square is 2 times of dou u by dou x square plus it is 2 times of dou v by dou x square, and 2 into 2 4. It is dou u by dou x square plus dou u by dou v by dou x square. This is 4. This is nothing but modulus of f dash of z square. This is the answer now. So this is one part. So in the next class, I would like to prove you the complex integration. So complex integration is the next class I would like to continue tomorrow. Thank you.